Hello, I'm Mark Grossman. My law firm is the Law Offices of Mark Grossman. We're the only full-service law firm in the Inland Empire. We have attorney specialists in criminal law, family law, estate planning, and we have a fully dedicated bankruptcy attorney. We have free consultations, and it's been my philosophy in business to try to help everyone that we can as much as we can, regardless of whether we're able to make them a client, because we believe that comes back to us and that sooner or later most people need a good lawyer in their life. It's my desire to not ever win a client for just one case, but because we are a full-service law firm, we want to represent our clients in all aspects of their lives. Whether they're having trouble with a neighbor, trouble with an insurance company, any type of employment issue, any type of an injury, need assistance with estate planning, bankruptcy, or if they have some criminal law issue or family law issue, we have the best and the most experienced attorneys in the Inland Empire available. Whatever your legal problem or your legal question is, I can help you. If you call my office and schedule to meet with me, I will review your paperwork. I will answer every question you have about the substantive law about your case, about the procedural law, and get you as up to speed as you want about what the situation you're in is and what your options are. There is never any charge for this consultation, and there is never any obligation, and I promise you, you will benefit if you schedule with us.